Upbeat music playing. Scene opens with a vibrant split screen. Bissell steam mop on the left. PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop on the right. Hey there, by Smart Squad. Are you tired of scrubbing your floors like it's a workout at the gym? Well, today we have two contenders ready to battle it out in the ultimate steam mop showdown. In the left corner, we have the mighty Bissell steam mop, and in the right corner, the versatile PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop. Are you ready to steam your cleaning woes away? Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the price, because who doesn't love a good deal? The Bissell comes in at $102, while PurSteam is slightly lighter on the wallet at $99. Amazon reviewers appreciate the value of both products, with many highlighting Bissell's contribution to a good cause with every purchase. Therefore, if you're looking to save those extra bucks for a pizza night, PurSteam wins this round. Next, let's get steamy with cleaning power. The Bissell Steam Mop boasts the ability to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using harsh chemicals, making it a favorite among reviewers looking for effective sanitation. Meanwhile, the PurSteam also offers chemical-free cleaning, which is perfect for homes with kids and pets. Reviewers have noted that both mops are effective, but Bissell's germ-fighting capabilities give it a slight edge. So it's basically the superhero that also babysits. Now let's talk about heat-up time, because we all know patience isn't everyone's virtue. Both steamers heat up in just 30 seconds, which is a big plus according to reviews. Users appreciate not having to wait long to start cleaning, making this feature a tie. It's like waiting for your microwave to finish, but way less cheesy. Versatility time. The Bissell has a built-in spot boost brush for those sticky messes, which has received positive feedback from users. Meanwhile, the PurSteam is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. It can transform into a handheld steamer for clothes, upholstery, and even your grandma's favorite drapes, which reviewers rave about. If versatility were a sport, PurSteam would be the reigning champ. Finally, let's check out the accessories. Bissell keeps it simple with a measuring cup for filling the tank. However, PurSteam comes with a plethora of attachments, including brushes, nozzles, and a squeegee, all of which users find useful for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers love the range of accessories that PurSteam provides, making it feel like a cleaning party. Bissell, you might need to take some notes here. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. Bissell is praised for its powerful cleaning and support for a good cause, while PurSteam shines with its versatility and array of accessories. Users appreciate the quick heat-up time of both products, making them excellent options for efficient cleaning. So what did we learn today? If you're looking for a solid, germ-fighting mop that supports a good cause, Bissell is your go-to. But if you want versatility and a ton of accessories, the PurSteam 10-in-1 is your best friend. Either way, you're getting a great product that'll sweep you off your feet. Literally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic showdown on Buy Smart. Comment below and let us know which mop you'd pick, and if you have any other products you want us to compare. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.